Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you the monthly maintenance tasks you need to perform to clear your HVAC system of any algae or bacteria formation. This needs to be repeated every month, not just during the HVAC air filter replacement. As you know, HVAC air filter replacement needs to be performed every quarter, that is every 3 months. For this we need to take distilled white vinegar, about 5% acidity or 9% acidity. The acidity in the vinegar, it actually kills the algae or bacteria formation in the HVAC drain pipe. That is the one that we'll be using. I'll show you the video of attic and the location of the drain pipe that needs to be filled with this. For that I have taken about 1 cup of water and we need to add about 1 cup of vinegar into it. So this is about 1 cup of vinegar. So we need to basically mix this water and vinegar, and let's go to the attic now. Before we go into the attic, first thing is that we need to switch off the HVAC system. So this is off. After it is switched off, we need to add the water vinegar solution into the drain pipe, and once we have done that, we need to take around 30 minutes of time before we can switch on the AC. Let's get into the attic. First of all, let me change the HVAC air filter. This needs to be done every 3 months. So this is the old HVAC filter. This is the new one that I have brought. It's of the same dimensions as the old one. Now you see, this is the new HVAC filter and this is placed inside, and this is the airflow direction. It must be towards the HVAC unit or the furnace unit. So this is the correct orientation of the air filter. Now we close the cap of it. This is the water vinegar solution that we have brought. You can see there are 3 pipes. The pipe that is a drain line of the HVAC, it can be identified by the insulation. Now if you see, this is insulated. So there are 2 insulated pipes. The one pipe that is away from the HVAC unit, it is a HVAC drain pipe. That means this is this one, and we need to pour our water vinegar solution into this. So I have filled water vinegar solution into the drain line, 1 cup water and 1 cup vinegar. Now you need to let it be for 30 minutes before you can switch on the air conditioning again or the heating again. So this needs to be done every 1 month. So that is a home care tip for today. Thank you for watching this video.